Good morning, students. Welcome to part 2 of our chapter number 8, body movements. Right? In the first part, we have seen that how do different parts of our body moves. Right? Some bend, some lift, some moves completely, and while some does not move at all. We have filled the table according to it. Right? Now, the homework was to read page number 68, 69, I told you. Okay. So, after filling the table, now can you see that all the parts of our body does not move, right? And the part which moves, they are also different. हर एक पार्ट हर एक डायरेक्शन में मूव नहीं करता है नो राइट ओके अगर आप अपनी फेस पे हैंड पे है ना जोस पे टच करोगे यू विल फील अ हार्ड थिंग व्हाट इज दैट हार्ड थिंग इनसाइड योर बॉडी इट इज अ बोन व्हाट इज इट बोन तो हमारी बॉडी में ऐसे बहुत सारे बोन्स होते हैं हड्डे जिसे हम बोलते हैं ना सो देर आर मेनी बोन्स इन अवर बॉडी ऑफ डिफरेंट साइज डिफरेंट शेप्स राइट तो जो बोन है वो कभी बीच में से मूव नहीं करता है वी कैन ओनली मूव द पार्ट्स वेयर द बोन्स आर जॉइनिंग एक बोन दूसरे बोन से जहाँ पे जॉइंट होता है वही पार्ट से हम लोग अपनी बॉडी को मूव कर सकते हैं एंड दे आर कॉल्ड जॉइंट्स व्हाट आर दे कॉल्ड they are called joints right the parts where the two bones meet each other connect each other they are called joints there are different type of joints in our body to carry out different movements can you imagine a body without a joint अगर पूरा सब एक हड्डी एक साथ होता तो it would not be possible for us to move at all बिल्कुल मूव नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि बोन्स तो कभी मूव नहीं करते हैं राइट दे डोंट बेंड फ्रॉम द सेंटर और फ्रॉम एनीवेयर बोन है वो कभी बेंड नहीं होता है जहाँ दो बोन्स जॉइंट होते हैं वी आर एबल टू मूव फ्रॉम दैट प्लेस ओनली सो if there would be no joints then we would not be able to move at all so there are different types of joints in our body to perform different functions let us learn about some of them first is ball and socket joints ball and socket joints it is a type of joint in a shape in which a ball is connected to a socket. You can see the picture over here. This is a ball and a socket joint. A ball is there, and a paper cylinder. A cone shape is formed, right? And you can see that ball also can move in the bowl, right? And the paper cylinder, it can move cylindrical. So this type of joint is called a ball and a socket joint. Now give me an example of ball and a socket joint in your body. इस तरह का joint कौन सा है body में? बता सकते हो? Yes, it is a thigh bone. You can see over here. बॉल एंड अ सॉकेट जॉइंट बिटवीन अ थाई बोन एंड हिप बोन है ना आप अपने लेग को पूरा घुमा सकते हो ऐसे घुमा सकते हो ना तो ये जॉइंट जो ऐसा होता है दिस टाइप ऑफ जॉइंट इज कॉल्ड अ बॉल एंड अ सॉकेट जॉइंट लेट मी एक्सप्लेन यू विद दिस एक्टिविटी यू हैव टू टेक a strip of paper and roll it into a cylinder. Now make a small hole in an old rubber or plastic ball and push the paper cylinder into it as it is shown in the figure. Now put the small ball in a small bowl. Does the ball rotate freely? Does the paper cylinder also rotate? Yes. So ball भी freely rotate करेगा and the cylinder also will freely rotate inside the ball. Now imagine that the paper cylinder is your arm and the ball is its end. The bowl is like the part of the soldier to which the arm is connected. The round end of one bone fits into the cavity of the other one. What is the cavity? Cavity is a hollow space inside the bone. It is called cavity. Such a joint allows movement in all direction. You can underline ball and a socket joints allows movement in all directions. जैसे हाथ जुड़े हुए हैं, hands to the shoulder, your legs, thigh bones to the hip bones. These are the ball and a socket joint. Next joint, it is pivotal joint. What is pivotal joint? The joint where your neck joins the head is a pivotal joint. It allows to bend our head forward and backward and turn the head to right and left. This joint, pivotal joints, it allows 4 types of movements: forward, backward, and left and right. This type of joint is called a pivotal joint. You cannot rotate it completely, only this type of movement is allowed by a pivotal joint. The figure is shown over here, how your neck is connected, right, to the head. You can move it upwards and downwards and yes, left and right. Only these 4 movements are allowed and this type of joint is called a pivotal joint. Right? Now hinge joints. What are hinge joints? अच्छा, what is hinge? Do you know? अच्छा, जिससे डोर है ना वो कनेक्टेड होता है ना जो फ्रेम में, that are called hinges. Now what type of movement does it give to the door? आगे पीछे बस उतना ही होता है ना. डोर ऊपर नीचे होगा. Only one side movement is given, right? Okay, so the bones which move only in this type of direction, like hinges of the door, that joints are called hinge joints. Right? To explain it, activity 3 is given over here. You can make a diagram of this. Make a cylinder with cardboard or thick chart paper as shown in the figure. Now attach a small pencil to the cylinder at the center by piercing it, right? Now make a hollow half cylinder from cardboard such that the rolled up cylinder can fit inside it easily. The hollow half cylinder with the rolled up cylinder sitting inside it. ठीक है ना. नीचे जो आधा रखा है येलो कलर का, यू कैन सी दैट इज द रोलो हाफ सिलेंडर. उसके ऊपर पूरा गोल है, उसके ऊपर पेंसिल है. ट्राई टू मूव द रोल्ड अप सिलेंडर. हाउ डज इट मूव? है ना, वो बॉल सॉकेट जॉइंट की जैसे भी मूव नहीं करेगी, वो पिवटल जॉइंट की जैसे भी मूव नहीं करेगी. दिस काइंड ऑफ मूवमेंट एट द एल्बो, वो सिर्फ 2 तरह से ही मूवमेंट कर सकता है, राइट? सो दैट टाइप ऑफ जॉइंट्स आर कॉल्ड हिंज जॉइंट्स. हमारी नी के, हमारी एल्बो के, दिस जॉइंट्स आर हिंज जॉइंट्स. The elbow has a hinge joint that allow only a back and forth movement. Back and forth. Similarly, the hinge joints in the knee. So, we learned about 3 types of joints: ball and a socket, pivotal, and hinge joints. Further, we will continue it in the next video. You read, that is your homework. Thank you.